Today, I'm going to be showing you the #1 reason why I hate my Ford Raptor. And that is because the hard shifting when you're in sport mode. Let's see if we can catch it. Oh, that wasn't too bad. But now I missed my turn. Alright, let's try again.
Okay.
Alright everybody, we're going to give this another shot. We're going to see if we can catch the hard shifting points. Right here. Did y'all feel that? Did you feel that, Ethan?
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can get it again. We'll shift down.
You can also hear it.
Yeah, it sounds good. But my transmission is having an issue. So whenever I shift from 4th to 5th, it feels like you're getting hit by a freight train.
Kind of throws you back a little bit.
So we're gonna fix that coming soon. Would you turn off your phone while I'm filming?
Let's see who it is. Oh, can you guys see that? It's the wife.
Oh, you better answer that one. All right, I think this is take number 3.
Yeah, maybe 3, 4.
Okay, so the #1 thing I hate about my Ford Raptor is when you're in sport mode or you're in manual mode, the shift points from 4 to 5 and sometimes 4 to 6 are extremely aggressive. So apparently the transmission learns how you drive. I guess I drive like a maniac. And it's now very aggressive. It feels like you're getting rear-ended every time it shifts. So I've taken it to the dealer. I've had it reflashed. I've tried fixing it. It works for a couple weeks and then it just keeps getting more and more aggressive. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna see. We have it in sport mode, and shout out to Jeep Looks for filming for me today. We're gonna see if we can catch the shifting on video and you can see how aggressive it is. All right, here we go. You filming?
Yep.
Okay, 3rd gear. Oh, can you see that in the video?
I think we just got rear-ended.
It like jerks me in my seat. It is so annoying. But luckily, I've got something coming soon. And to give you a clue, it's gonna smooth out the shifting, find out a little more power to the truck. So stay tuned for a video coming soon. And we're gonna get this problem fixed. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Actually, we're going into construction zone, but
Fine's double.
2nd, 3rd, 4th. Here we go. Did you feel that? That was bad. We're gonna get pulled over here in a minute on Thanksgiving.
We're only going 25.
Yeah, 55. We're going 55. We're in Mexico.
somewhere in Mexico.